Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about how you can edit your Shopify footer. But before we do that, we need to understand the strategy and understand the element of why Shopify has become such a huge place to start your dropshipping business. And that is the reason why we've made so many videos to give you guys a competitive advantage in the industry so you can ensure that you will run a successful business. So if you haven't checked our videos out, click in the description below on the link and check all the different videos that we've made on our channel. And the platform from where you can start your dropshipping business is Shopify. So if you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. You can build your business, you can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, and discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. And there's a global economic activity on Shopify worthy of $444 billion. That is a huge cake which you can take a piece of as well, guys. And obviously the beauty of all this element is that you can bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise that is required, which I'm going to show you in a second, and select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. And you can even add more functionalities to your online store with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. All you need to do is click on start your free trial, which will take you to the next stage. And obviously on this stage, you'll be able to start your Shopify account. And basically there's certain elements that you have to keep in mind. The first one is obviously understanding what best describes you. Are just starting off or already selling online, or as a person? We're going to go with the fact that we're just starting off. And then the next question is that where would you like to sell? An online store, an existing website, or a blog, social media, online marketplaces, in person, or you're not sure? We're going to go for the online store where we can create a fully customizable website. And after selecting that, we have to select the name, guys. And this is one of the most important elements because you have to make sure the name reflects off who you are and what you're about. And that is the reason why I always mention to individuals to select a name that really has an impact and talks about quality and actually the speciality of the items that you're selling. And once you have selected the name, all you need to do is click on next and then select what region you would start to and select what region you would want to start this particular element. And then you would need to select the Shopify ID. You can continue with your email, with Apple, with Facebook, or with Google. I would always recommend to continue with Google because Google gives you that opportunity to set up your account instantly. Once you sign in, guys, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, analytics, marketing, and your discounts, and your online store, which we will check in a second. And you can add different apps as well. You can look at the setup guide. You can add your first product, add brand assets, add a custom domain, and customize your theme as well, which we are going to do in a second. For example, if you check the online store right now, you'll see that the online store is completely blank. There is nothing on the online store right now. And this is where we need to start our editing and develop a store, develop a landing page that really has an impact and really can talk about what kind of products you're selling and who you are as a person and what makes you have a competitive advantage in the industry. And now as we select customize theme, we can customize the theme over here. And once we select that over here, we can actually check out the different themes that are available. And we want to first install a theme before we actually start customizing a theme. And right now we have the Dawn theme that's available. If you look down over here, these are popular themes that are available, which are completely free. So we're going to add this over here. And once we select add, it will be added to our shop online. Now, as you can see over here, it's installing the theme right now, the refresh theme. And once it installs it, we'll start customizing it. Now the theme has been installed. So now we're going to click on customize and it's going to take us to the editor over here on the theme. Now this is a place where I really want to emphasize that the beauty of Shopify is the level of customization that you tend to get. On the left hand side, you're going to have your homepage, your announcement bar, your headers, which are these two elements over here. Then you had your slideshows and you can add different slides over here. Then you would have your multi-columns and you can add a lot of elements with your multi-columns, what kind of columns you want to add, what kind of information that you want to give. You can also add images with text inside of your theme as well, giving your customer an understanding of what and where they are. And obviously then you have your image with text. And as you scroll down, you have all your pages, all your elements that are going to be available. What we're going to do is that we're going to go right to the footer over here. Now the footer is very important, guys, because I personally feel the footer is the place that you get all your information from. Now you can clearly see, you can select the color scheme if you want. For example, let's change the background color over here. And once we do that, the background color is going to get changed. If you do background to the color number 2, it's going to change it to the background color number 2. If you want to change it to accent number 1, 1, it will change it to ascent number 1. So it gives you a complete understanding of what you want to do up. You want to add subscribers, add it automatically, your accepted marketing list. Just click on show email sign up and it's going to show it over here. If you want to take it out, just take it out from here. Now, obviously, if you want to change what it says with the heading over here, we can say subscribe to our marketing department. And as you see, the information has been changed. You can show your social media icons. You can take them out as well. I personally feel showing your social media is very important to ensure that individuals can get connected to your Facebook, to your Instagram, to your Twitter. You can select the language as well, so you can add different languages that you want people to change the language from. You can go to the language section and select the different languages. If you go bottom over here, you can check the payment methods. You can give spacing to the top margin as well, as I'm doing right now, and it's changing the place as you can clearly see. So if you want to add a little bit of a break between the main page and the bottom footer, you can easily do that. You can also add top padding. You can decrease the padding as well. You can click on the top padding as well. You can look at the theme settings and check if you want to change the Twitter handles, the Facebook, the Pinterest, the Instagram. So all these elements are available. So for example, if you put Twitter over here, you will see that whenever someone clicks on that, they'll be able to go to your Twitter handle and check out what is happening. As you can see over here, the Twitter has been shown. So we're going to put Facebook as well as I show you, and we're going to put over here as well, and the Instagram is going to get added too, and the TikTok is also going to get added. So as you see, everything is being changed on the right side, and all these icons are going to be available. So as soon as someone clicks it, they'll be able to go to that particular store. They would be able to go to that particular social media handle. Now you have information over here that you want to change. You can actually change the information by clicking on it yourself. You can change the shop. So let's say that's going to be the name, for example, as a random interest. We can change the picture over here. You can change the about over here. You can click on the about and it's going to change the about site. You can change the mission if you want to as well, and the mission is going to get changed. If you want to change the picture, you can also change the picture. So all these elements are available. If you want to check the theme, you can check the colors as well. So for example, let's change the color from here and let's make it a little bit of a, I think this is looking very nice. We can do it like that. That looks absolutely brilliant. We can change the secondary colors. If you want to add different apps, you can do that as well. So this is the level of customization that is available. And if you want to check out how it's going to look like on the phone, on the desktop, you can also do that. It gives you a complete view of what the actual app is going to look like on a full view. You can look at the draft, you can save it, you can come back and work on it later as well. So guys, at the end of the day, the customization level and obviously the level of control that Shopify tends to give you is massive. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals to start with Shopify and then gradually build their store. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to support you, to assist you, and to guide you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.